Okay, you guys, so we did a lot of work, so hopefully it looks awesome. So Robin's egg blue, and then we did the whole shebang, rinsed it, washed it, soaked it in soda ash again, spun it out, did the sea foam green. Now, same thing, rinse, it's gonna be washed, but before I wash it, because we do have white in this shirt, I'm gonna put it in the sink with water I can stand, so warm to hot, with Dawn dish soap so we can keep the white white. And then right after all of the dye is gone out of that, and I do it a couple of times, we'll wash it in the washing machine with Synthropol. I always do hot water with cold water rinses and Synthropol. So, and my washer has a extra rinse option, so I do that too, just in case. But let's see how this looks. All right. Ooh. That is pretty. I know you can barely see it, but that's super pretty. So I know that's a lot harder to see because they're brighter colors, but Robin's egg blue and sea green. And the back looks the same. Don't mind my happy accident with the purple on the bottom. But the wash and dried version will be at the end of this video. Do exactly what I did, just make sure there's no purple anywhere near your stuff. Alright, so that being said, the website, my website, has been updated, www.riahstieDye.com. So we've added some stuff on there, so the Powerberry shirt's on there, the avocado shirt, and a couple other ones. I think we've only added one tapestry, but every time I make something, somebody buys it. So I'm trying to catch up with that so I can put some extra stuff on there so you guys have some choices. Wash and dried version at the end of this video, like I've said like 30,000 times. And make sure you're having a great week and you're staying safe. And thank you for watching. Happy tie-dyeing.